I'm standing along the shores of Lake Erie, just an hour and 20 minutes south of Toronto Airport. My name is Sarah from the Sarah Roy team, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our newest listing. This waterfront property would make a perfect investment or a great home. Come check it out. So confident you're gonna love living here. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, I'll either buy it back or sell it and not charge you any of my commission.